Good morning, guys. Captain Paul here, and I'm going to do a couple of these quick little videos while I've got the boat out of the water and explain to you what's going on and why we're doing bottom paint and stuff like this. I think the red with the green looks amazing. I want to hear in the comments what you guys think about the color choice. Guys, I'm going to do a quick 3-minute video here, and what we're going to talk about is this bottom job and what's the recommendations for these and why we do them. So this one we did with red paint. You can see I think it looks really good with the green, and right now they're getting ready to roll the third coat on here. So we roll 2 good bottom coats on the entire boat, and then we put one around the water line right here. And the reason is that keeps the sun, what it does is keeps the because the sun shines right here and the growth is more prevalent right here, so that's why we do that. Now also, one other quick little note to note is that we, when we're doing these bottom jobs, we do them every about two years. They recommend 18 months to 24 months. And what it is there's copper inside here, and that copper is what does all the work. Once the copper is gone from the paint is useless. It won't do anything anymore. So that's why they recommend and the copper's usually gone after about 18 to 20 months is what they say. It all depends on the conditions of where your boat's at. And this one's been done, I would say about 30 months ago. So we went over by about 10 months. I knew that it needed the bottom job from the survey that we did not too long ago. But I wanted to wait until I had a buyer, and then they start out with a nice, fresh bottom job just like I did. When we bought the boat, it was sitting on the hard just like this, and we had the bottom paint put on at that time, and that was a little less than 3 years ago. Hey guys, Captain Paul, peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you get a chance. Anyway, remember, live life with no regret. I do. Hey, and I did Pete, I was doing this teeth whitening thing. Leave in the comments, do you think my teeth are getting any whiter? You guys tell me what you think. I want to hear it in the comments. Anyway, thank you guys. I appreciate it. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do a bunch of these little videos while I have the boat out of the water.